Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do le pronom tonique. Okay, and these are called stressed pronoun also. These emphasize pronoun or follow a preposition. Okay, like avec, pour, sans, chez. And here we have got some words lui, elle, elle. This lui is for masculine singular cases. This is for feminine singular cases. Is for masculine plural cases and elle is for feminine plural cases. Lui means him, elle means her, means them and elle them. So let's start. First sentence is allons au film avec David et Anne. Now it means let's go to the movie with David and Anne. Now you will always find these nouns written after the preposition. Okay, and they do not change their placement as we did in earlier cases. They remain at their place. Okay, they will be written here only after the preposition. So let's start with the first one. Allons au film avec eux means let's go to the movie with them. Okay. Now the next one is acheter ce journal pour grand-père. That means buy this newspaper for grandpa. Now again pour grand-père. This is the preposition and this word is underlined which is to be replaced and it will not change its placement. It will remain here only. So let's start. Now grand-père is singular and masculine, so we have used masculine singular case lui. Acheter ce journal pour lui, that means buy this newspaper for him. Next one is ne regarde pas le film sans ta cousine. Now ta cousine is feminine, so we'll use feminine singular case here. Ne regarde pas le film sans ta cousine. That means don't watch the film without your cousin. Ne regarde pas le film sans elle. That means don't watch the film without her. Next one is elle viendra chez Pietro et Paula. Now we have plural case here, so we'll use masculine plural case. So let's start. Elle viendra chez Pietro et Paula. That means she will come to Pietro and Paula's house or Paula's place. Elle viendra chez eux means she will come to their place. Maman préparera le repas pour toute la famille. That means mom will prepare the meal for the whole family. Now, toute la famille is feminine, so we'll use feminine case here. Maman préparera le repas pour elle. Ranu s'est assise à côté de son amie Kali. That means Ranu sat next to her friend Kali. Now, son amie Kali is to be replaced. Ranu s'est assise à côté d'elle. That means Ranu sat next to her. Now we dropped E here of the preposition à côté de because elle is also starting with a vowel. Okay. Les enfants pensent à leurs parents. That means children think of their parents. Leurs parents is to be replaced and it is masculine plural case. Les enfants pensent à leurs parents means the children think of their parents and now it is les enfants pensent à eux. That means the children think of them. Veux-tu organiser une soirée pour ta tante? That means do you want to organize a party for your auntie? Now ta tante is feminine singular, so we will replace it with elle. Veux-tu organiser une soirée pour elle? That means, do you want to organize a party for her? The next one is, nous pouvons discuter avec notre professeur. That means we can discuss with our teacher. Notre professeur is singular, masculine singular case, so we will use lui. Nous pouvons discuter avec lui. We can discuss with him. Ils ont passé une semaine chez Monsieur Chandra. They spent a week at Mr. Chandra's place. Monsieur Chandra is masculine singular, so we will use lui again. Ils ont passé une semaine chez lui. Means they spent a week at his place. Nathalie n'aime personne sauf ses deux amis. That means Nathalie loves nobody except her two friends. Ses deux amis is to be replaced, and this time it is masculine plural. So we will use o. Nathalie n'aime personne sauf eux. That means Nathalie loves nobody except them. Les clients ont fait une queue devant la caissière. That means customers stood in line in front of the cashier. Now, la caissière is to be replaced. It is feminine singular this time, so we will use elle. Les clients ont fait une queue devant elle. The client or the customer stood in line in front of her, or you can say they made a line in front of her. Il habite loin de ses parents. That means he lives far from his parents. Ses parents is masculine plural, so we'll use eux. Il habite loin d'eux. It means he lives far from them. Les malfaiteurs se sont mis autour de la dame riche. That means the criminals have put themselves around the rich lady. Now, la dame riche is to be replaced. It is feminine singular this time, so we'll use elle. Les malfaiteurs se sont mis autour d'elle. That means the criminals have put themselves around her. Now the last one is je veux m'asseoir entre mes cousines. That means I want to sit between my cousins. Mes cousines is feminine plural, so we will use elle, plural case. Je veux m'asseoir entre elles. I want to sit between them. So this is the placement of pronom tonique in sentences when they are written after a preposition. Okay, so that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.